I'm just going to show you guys real quick how to diagnose a bad wheel bearing, especially if it's saying you have something like a tone ring. So go ahead, take your caliper off. If you go back in here and look at your tone ring, which is right there, you can see how it has missing chunks, and that alone is going to set off an ABS code. You see that? Boom. So there's more missing than there is actually there. See all that? Look at that. That piece was there. That's a good piece, but most of it's missing. I'll show you what the new one looks like, but this is a super easy way to tell if you need to replace your wheel bearing. The sensor's just not going to get an accurate reading from this. You could also take the sensor out, but this way is way easier and way more visible. So as you can see, the tone ring is toast. That's what it's supposed to look like right there. Nice, fresh, whole, one piece, smooth. So yeah, there you go.